really need it.
What's going on, crew? Welcome back to our channel. Everybody's here. I'm Maddie. I'm Scylla.
And I'm Anthony.
And if you're wondering why we're whispering, it's because we are currently in Granny's house.
Granny trapped us in this house, and she hid everything we need to escape this house.
All the things she hid are slime ingredients, and we need to make slime to get out of her house. We cannot make slime without our slime ingredients.
We only have 5 days to find our ingredients.
So we have 6 ingredients that we need to find, and when we find them, we come and put them in this bowl. If she catches us, we have ingredients. Again, do this. Okay guys, are you ready for this?
Yes.
No. They're already failing. I hear you. Wait, you ready? I see you. We gotta be quiet. Okay guys, Anthony found a green glue. High five.
That's my big love. My favorite color.
That's the first main ingredient.
Wow, this is glossy.
I like that color. It's really pretty.
We found 1 ingredient. That means 5 more to go.
Let's go. Wait, Lisa. She's near us. And guys, our tent is camouflaged, so she cannot find it at all. The coast is clear. The coast is clear. Go. This is clear. Let's go. Move it. Move it. The coast is clear. I hear you.
I found another ingredient. Eyeballs. Granny must like eyeballs a lot. Let's add some in. Oh, it's like a monster. She must love creepy stuff. And Priscilla and Anthony are still looking for slime ingredients. I hope they're safe.
I hear you.
Guys, this slime looks so creepy, like Granny.
Maddie.
What? What, you guys got caught?
Yep, I got caught.
No way! Priscilla, that counts as a day. So Priscilla and Anthony, I found an ingredient, eyeballs. And that means we only have 4 more ingredients left.
We got this. Be careful. Granny is hiding behind walls.
And she's crazy.
Guys, this is so hard. We're on day 3 and we only have 2 days left.
And we only found 2 ingredients. We need 4 more left. That's gonna be hard finding them in 3 more days.
Come on, let's go for the day.
The coast is clear. Come on. The coast is clear. Evacuate.
Would you children like a cookie? I hear you.
JKrew.
It's not in there.
I hear you.
And we got our 3rd ingredient, shaving cream. It was so hard to find, but in an easy place. All right, let's add it in.
Our slime looks great. It looks just like Granny.
Only 3 things left. Let's go look for our next ingredient.
Any ingredients? No. I found glitter. It's green glitter. Let's get in the tent. Come on. Get in the tent. Get in, guys. Get in. Okay guys, so I found green glitter and it's really pretty and it matches our theme. Okay, let's add it in. This is a monster like green.
Chill on the glitter, Maddie.
I can't help it with glitter.
Now we have 2 more ingredients to find. Let's do this. bored out. And we still have 2 more ingredients.
And we're tired.
Oh my gosh. We need to find these ingredients. We need to escape Granny's house or we're gonna stay here forever.
Okay, hopefully we get an ingredient. Hopefully none of us get caught.
Let's go.
Ooh, great idea. Ooh, there's glue. I was so close to that glue, but Granny got me.
Guys, we need to make a plan. Say, Anthony, you make noise in the dining room. I'll get the white glue. Then we all come back to the tent. And then you start looking for more stuff. That's a great plan. So then we can distract Granny and get the glue. So we already know what the glue is. So let's do this again. Try not to get caught. I have the glue, guys. We did it. Good job.
One more thing, the activator.
We need the activator. Okay, we'll still cover up all of Maddie's glitter. I think you put a little bit too much.
We're on our last date and we really need it. And it might be hit hard because it's important. Okay, let's go.
I see you. I see you. I hear
We found our last ingredient. Now we can make our slime and escape.
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's do it. That's good. Okay, now let's mix this icky gooey slime. It's activated.
Any more?
Yep, a little bit more. That's good. This is totally like Granny.
We're so close to escaping.
We're making Granny slime today.
What's my favorite color? Green.
It's activated. Guys, did you know something funny? We found our last ingredient on our last day.
We got so lucky.
Guys, it's activating. Guys, feel it. You can also hear the googly eyes.
Wow.
It's really nice.
It's actually gooey.
The gooey Granny slime.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this slime. It's super fluffy and the eyeballs are so cool in it.
And sticky.
It's really nice. It's fluffy and stretchy. I actually like the slime. It's really nice. It's gooey Granny.
Okay, so we're gonna set a trap for Granny. We're gonna put all of our slimes together and we're gonna make Granny get stuck in the slime. And then we're gonna escape.
Are you guys ready to escape this house now?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's put it down. Right here. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, slime.